Hi, today I'm making sun-dried tomato cilantro oil. This is a very seasoned oil. I have like about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, a cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, a tablespoon of peppercorns, as well as a quarter cup of cilantro, and 1 cup of olive oil. As I do with all of my oils, I'm going to begin with the garlic and add those to the pot. Then I'm going to add the quarter cup of cilantro, a full cup or 1 cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Next, I'll add 1 cup of virgin olive oil. This is the lighter oil, not the darker oil. And I'm going to pour that into the pot and also sort of stir the ingredients. You can add a teaspoon of salt if you like. I didn't in this case because I'm watching my salt. I'm going to bring these ingredients to a boil for about 6 minutes. I also add the peppercorn. I forgot to mention that. So there's a tablespoon of peppercorn in that. I have my garlic oil glass container. I've added some chilies and garlic to the glass receptacle. I'm going to drain my ingredients first into a measuring cup. And as you can see, it's changed the color of the oil, so it looks a little darker than when it went in. And then I'm going to add the sun-dried oil through the funnel into the jar. And so it does take on, like I said, this orange color, but this is great for pasta dishes, lasagna, spaghetti. I also use it for fish. For Mexican food, fajitas and enchiladas. It's a great oil to have in the kitchen.